improve your vocabulary, stop using very. Very good. Superb. Very bad. Terrible. Very happy. Jubilant. Very sad. Sorrowful. Very loud. Deafening. Very quiet. Whispering. Very bright. Luminous. Very dark. Gloomy. Very hot. Scorching. Very cold. Freezing. Very hungry. Starving. Very thirsty. Dehydrated. Very cheap. Inexpensive. Very expensive. Costly. Very funny. Hilarious. Very boring. Monotonous. Very clean. Spotless. Very dirty. Filthy. Very strong. Robust. Very weak. Frail. Very important. Crucial. Very ugly. Hideous. Very interesting. Fascinating. Very beautiful. Stunning. Very angry. Furious. Very calm. Peaceful. Very difficult. Arduous. Very easy. Simple. Very rich. Prosperous. Very poor. Destitute. Very old. Ancient. Very new. Fresh. Very dangerous. Perilous. Very safe. Secure. Very early. Premature. Very late. Delayed. Very friendly. Cordial. Very unfriendly. Hostile. Very tall. Towering. Very short. Compact. Very thin. Skinny. Very fat. Overweight. Very creative. Innovative. Very curious. Inquisitive. Very sure. Certain. Very painful. Agonizing. Very pleased. Delighted. Very surprised. Stunned. Very dry. Parched. Very wet. Saturated. Very careful. Meticulous. Very careless. Inattentive. Very ordinary. Unremarkable. Very tasty. Delicious. Very bland. Flavorless. Very successful. Prosperous. Very smart. Intelligent. Very tired. Exhausted. Very fast. Swift. Very slow. Sluggish.